Well, it's been a pretty expensive day today. I had to have my prop rebuilt because I hit a stump and folded up all the fins, and I just got it back. It cost me $150, but it is really nice. I did a great job, so we're going to put it back on. Well, first, we're going to raise the motor up where we can get to it. So it's really pretty simple to do this. Hey, buddy. And then all we got to do really is just stick this prop on here. Yeah, looking good, looking good. We got this, I don't know what you call it. It's kind of a collar. I guess it keeps it running straight, fits right in there. Then we got a washer. And then we have this brass nut that goes on. And one of the things about this is you don't screw these on super tight. You don't get down there and crank on it as hard as you can. You just want it sort of firm. And then of course we're going to put the cotter pin in. So Perry's going to put this thing, he's going to show us how to tighten it up, about how tight we make it. Man, that's not hard at all. So it's just kind of a real easy. And what are you looking for?
Just to line up the hole.
Oh, line up the hole for the cotter pin?
Mm-hmm.
Let's see if I can get that. There we go.
Can you see it?
So we've got the